But he took an opportunity to get at me.
If you got elected Taoiseach.
One notable one was, and you can go and research this, but Roisin Ingle contacted me a couple of years ago saying that she was she had an audience with Enda Kenny, and her sort of angle was that she was collecting questions from a number of people and she was going to present them to him, and she asked me for a question. And I asked the question about the mental health services, because he had said before, not the last election, the previous election, the one in 2011, that his main priority when it came to social issues was the mental health services, and particularly suicide. And he said that in the leaders' debate with Mary McCallan. And I just wanted to see what he had done in particular. So that was the question. But he took an opportunity to get at me.